Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone actions. Luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone acts on ovaries and they produce three steroidal hormones which are androgens, estrogens and progesterones are produced. All steroid hormone receptors are intracellular. Receptor for estrogen is intracellular and receptor for androgen and progesterone is intracytoplasmic. But receptor for estrogen is intranuclear. Receptor for estrogen is intranuclear. Receptor for androgen and progesterone is intracytoplasmic. But actually, receptor for all androgen, estrogen, and progesterone is intranuclear. To act, either to act androgen or progesterone to act, they have to go intranuclear. So all the steroid hormone receptors are intranuclear.
thank you and thank you for watching.